never give up.
Tired of paying rent, want buy a house. Mine it dead about the pocket no close. Money when me make, straight and to mouth. And me can't get no help everywhere, it's a joke. See all the plan and the traps on my set. Almighty guide every step when me make. I make me overcome all the
Interview your name All Eyes on Us because we're there with one of Toronto's hottest dancehall artists, Eyesus. What about this paper?
There, my boss. Is it? Yeah, man, there.
First of all, Eyesus, we hear say you're one of the hottest dancehall artists in Toronto, but for those of us in Jamaica, we're not really familiar with the name and the sound.
Yeah.
Describe your style for it. 3 words.
Well, basically, my music is like an everyday life music that people can relate to. You understand what I mean? So you find a lot of people gravitate to my music because they can relate to it. It's an everyday living. Yeah.
Our next one.
57.
Yeah, well, basically, it is like different style, different flow. You understand? Like something new. Because you know, in Toronto, Canada, it is a market of international, so you have to sing different crossover type of thing too, so different people can relate, but it's definitely dancehall.
And one more.
Well, basically, I just have the girls and we're versatile. We sing all type of music. We sing reggae, we sing dancehall, girl tune for the thugs them, you know the thing.
and the bills pile up. 649 lot of max a mile.
What's the scene like in Toronto? Because you're there yard now, you're up on the ground, you have me see how do your promotion at the streets and beating at Jamaica. So how different is it, the dancehall scene in Toronto versus the dancehall scene in Jamaica?
Well, no care when I really do dancehall, you know, you have to forward a yard. You see me, because the music originates here. And so when I get a #1 song in Jamaica, it's worldwide in our dancehall industry. Canada get many #1s, but no people in Jamaica still don't know me yet. But I'm huge in Canada. So when you forward on the ground here and put in the groundwork now and get recognized in Jamaica, you know, it's more,
You find say the scene a little bit more stubborn at Canada or Jamaica?
It will definitely stubborn at Canada because you see me, Canada have enough different genre of music. Jamaica, we just know say dancehall, reggae music, so you get the full attention.
What you just say is one of the biggest advantages and disadvantages to being based in Toronto?
Well, the advantage with the international, where basically it's more easier to get by certain things, shows and all these things, and you understand what I mean?
Yeah.
But the disadvantage is this now. You see, basically, when you're in Canada now, which is an overseas country, and then Jamaica don't recognize you yet, and you're huge there, so it's when you come here now, no people don't really know you, so they don't know your status. So it's like you're normal back.
You start over.
Yeah.
So that must be a little bit humbling then.
Yeah. So when you forward that, so now you have to just I get knowing, and when people start pick up now and start looking and say, yo, I'm huge, man.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? So I just say, go.
Talk to me about that song, you know, because you have a song I had up the ground now, Lottery. What was the inspiration behind the song there?
Well, lottery is this, you know, every ghetto you would feel like, say, 95 cannot make them get rich. It's just hand to mouth. Work, send them back at work, send the kids them go to school, pay the bills, grocery, nothing other than for save. Going back at work, and it's like a routine. So everybody hopes is always say, boy, know yourself, man, I soon win a lotto, man, I soon get rich. So it's a way of life, and we are grown up people depend on the lottery system to get rich. It's like a dream. You understand what I mean? So basically this song is like for the ghetto people them where I pay rent and them want to own a house. You know, mine it dead but the pocket no close.
Yeah.
You see me? Money where we make straight on to mouth and we can't get no help everywhere. It's a job. You see me?
Yeah.
So it's just naturally like, you know, a ghetto people song where them can relate to day to day.
Pressure make me buy lottery. Fast man feel we work off a battery. Me no know where the next cash I come from.
People interested to find you, how do they find you on the media?
Well, you can find me on any platform at Eyesus, which spell Eyesus. So it's spelled Eyesus on every platform.
I may not even know how I forget to even ask you that question. How you come up with that name there?
Oh, I ladies them give me, man. Cause you see the whole black on the wall, man, Deglar here, you see me? It's called Us Black. The ladies them always call me Eyes, you see me? And then the squad say, you know, it's a big woman thing though. Eyes Us if your name called Us Squad, yeah, Us, you know. And then from that, them say Eyes Us. You understand what I mean? And from that, I start running with the name. Basically, I treat people out here, perform and use the name and the whole place. And from there, somebody decides, you know, some music thing. That's before I migrate to Canada.
And how long now before you since you migrate?
From 2002, I leave Jamaica.
Yeah. So, and then you're back and forth basically?
Yeah, man.
Yeah. Let's try the single we are on with now. Is it part of an EP, an album, or just release some singles?
It's just a single. I work on the EP now, but as Kant told me, say, I try to put in the work now at Jamaica now to get reckoned, so like Jamaica can know more about me. Because Canada, we already respond to Canada already, and every major artist in Jamaica know me overseas, because when they forward to Canada for show, they ask to basically perform with me over there.
Yeah.
So they know of Eyesus, every single one of them that come to Toronto, Canada.
That I go
You
on.
understand?
That I go on.
So no.
What next for Eyesus?
I have a lot of collaboration, you know what I mean? I have a collaboration with Javinci, my brother. Big up Javinci, Munga Honorable. You know, whole lot more artists I've been working with and stuff like that. So, and the album is, the EP is coming soon.
Tell me one other name where you'd love to collaborate with.
Well, basically, you know, these are artists like this. If you from here do good in the music and you love the music and we work with it, it not have to be no status.
Yeah.
You understand? If you sound good and you put in the work, we work with you as an artist.
Tell me one of your big influences as a dancehall artist.
Shabba and Buju Banton was one of my major influences in the music as a youth.
True.
I watch TV and say, Buju at work, and I say, you know, so that's what I see myself.
Yeah. Lastly now, Eyesus, I want you to tell us what most makes Eyesus intense.
Music.
See you here, sir.
Right, that's what.
That was saying, musically intense.
Yeah.
All eyes on us, Eyesus. Boom.
Tonight's music.